The very basis of competition has changed. It's not just are you cheaper or even are you faster. It's a competition based on innovation. You can only survive and be successful if you innovate and you keep innovating. The From Ideas to Impact program is a 5-day immersive program that's all about making the participants more innovative and more entrepreneurial. What is unique about this program is that it is offered at Imperial College Business School, which means innovation. This is one of the foremost universities in the world for science, innovation, and technology. This is a place where we breathe and live innovation. What's also unique about this program is that it's a collaboration between Imperial College Business School and the Royal College of Art.
Over the last decade, the Royal College of Art, Imperial College Business School and the Executive Education Program have been working very closely. It's bringing ideas from different disciplines together that can really liberate people's thinking and produce those transformative solutions that are truly game changers. That's what Ideas to Impact is about.
You can send a real team working on a live project, on something that's real and that matters to you now, and you're going to get input from the best creative people, the best innovators, the best professors, and you're going to get a lot of advice and a lot of help. At the end of the week, participants will bring this innovation back into the home company. It will have been turbocharged, it will have momentum, and it will be ready to get to the next step.
It gives the participants an opportunity to really understand the different types of innovation. They see different ways of approaching innovation through real-life projects, and then we get them to actually undertake in the studios of the Royal College of Art. They get the opportunity to go and understand all the different aspects of innovation and then practice it themselves. It's by applying design to connect with customers, to create value for customers and create and capture that value for their business. That's what design can do. Those firms that are using design are making an impact not just to their bottom line, but they're making an impact in the long-term sustainability of their company and the commitment and connection they have with their customers.